YouTube. Car Kicks here with another unboxing. So this one is something I picked up off the Sneakers app. And this one, I don't really know if I'm gonna keep it or not yet, but after reviewing these shoes, I should know by today. So with no further delay, let's jump into it. And guys, remember, like and subscribe for your chance to go in a drawing for those when I'm a double up for the easy from the easy day. And as you can see, the red box, you guys should know it's a Dunk Low, Nike Dunk Low Retro, size 10. Okay, I like the paper. This paper is different. It's a Nike with the swoosh. I got a bar code right there, a number. Okay, it's different, guys. I mean, if you like Nike Dunk, you probably will like these. You got a little fish right there. 1972. Of course, the paper. The quality is, it's good quality. I will say it's different, guys. Will I keep it? I'm still debating. Nice material on it though. The quality is really good. Swoosh got like a little shine reflector on the swoosh. Got that suede going around here. Yeah, it's different. It's different from, it's not plain, you know. Got a little pattern to it. Yeah. Yeah, probably I keep it, probably not. Let me know your thought in the comment. If so, if this is something you cop on release day. Yeah. This was easy to get though. So let me know if you did cop or you drop. But guys, please remember, like, subscribe, and comment. Like up the video, guys, and please subscribe so you can enter in the chance to win a free easy. Could be a 500 utility block. It could be the foam runner. If you see the unboxing, you will see which one I caught double up on. So you will see which one I'm gonna put in the raffle to give away. And I did say 50,000, guys. My apologies, 50. As soon as I hit 50 subscribers, I'm gonna drop that in a raffle. You guys have a chance to win a free easy. And this is pretty good, I guess. It's not too bad. I guess I will keep it in the collection. Green. Yeah, I got a green. Yeah, it's different. It's not plain. The volume not too high on them, you know. So yeah, guys. And then I'm gonna close in this video for now. I'm out.